participating in our all process in this one hosting. I will be hosting the press conference for. Okay. First of all, there is a press article on 5th and 21st July, 5th and 21st April, April. Two articles have been published in Shandon Patrika as well as in Pratyasha Tripura that our organization and Bhubagra is not doing anything for the common people during this period of lockdown, and people are asking for his help, but Maharaja has disappeared according to their article, and we want to clarify this, that this is a totally misleading, fake and politically influenced article which has been written by those newspapers, because we all know that since from the early days of lockdown, our organization and Bhubagra are tremendously working for the poor, especially for the poor in rural areas, in terms of providing food, in terms of providing other essential commodities, and as well as not only in our state, in outside state also. Till now, our Bhubagra has contributed at least 25 lakhs out of his own pocket, and still there are some people who are questioning about his achievements or questioning about his works, and we strongly condemn such type of article. Is totally trying to harm and hurt the reputation of our Maharaja, and we as a member of Tripura want to say that after the lockdown period is over, we will going to take a serious legal action against those newspapers. We have already filed an FIR against Shandon Patrika, and